that is simultaneous linear equation in two variables. Okay, the first method that we are going to learn in the first exercise is called elimination method. See, we have the two equations over here. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. To solve this equation, first of all you need to see that coefficients. See, this is x, what is there with x? 1, and with x it is 3. So 1 and 3 are the coefficient of x. 2 and 1 are coefficient of y. So the very first step we need to do that, step number 1, that coefficient should be same. Okay, the coefficient should be same, either of x or either of y. Okay, any one of it. So if we have 3 over here, so I bring 3 over here by multiplying equation 1 by 3. So multiplying equation 1 by 3. Okay, if I am multiplying equation 1 by 3, so what will happen? 3 multiplied by x plus 2y is equal to 1. Okay, I am multiplying equation 1 by 3. So what will happen? We have 3x plus 6y is equal to 3. We have the new equation, that is 3x plus 6y is equal to 3. So our step number 1 is, don't write this, don't write this. So step number 1 is done. Coefficient should be same. We have 3x over here, we have 3x over here. Okay, now step number 2. What is step number 2? We need to see the signs. If signs are same, subtract. If signs are same, subtract it. And if signs are different, you should add it. Okay, so for the same coefficient, that is 3x and 3x, we have plus sign for 3x and plus sign for 3x over here. That means signs are same, and if signs are same, we are going to subtract the equation. So subtracting equation 2 and 3. Okay, subtracting equation 2 and 3. So I have 3x minus 1y is equal to 7. This is equation 2. And what is equation 3? 3x plus 6y is equal to 3. Okay, if I am subtracting, all the signs will be changed. The original sign of this was plus, so it will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Signs are going to change, okay, as we are subtracting it. In addition, nothing will happen, but if you are subtracting, all the signs will be changed. So 3x minus 3x gets cancelled. That's why it is called an elimination method. Minus 1y, this sign is, now we need to see this sign. Minus 1y minus 6y is minus 7y. 17 minus 3 is 14. So y is equal to 14 upon minus 7. So y is equal to minus 2. Okay, we have y is equal to minus 2. So put y is equal to minus 2 in 1. What is 1? X plus 2y is equal to 1. What is y? Minus 2. So value of x, 2 2s are 4. So x is equal to 1 plus 4. Value of x is 5. Okay, so we have value of y is, therefore x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. Now I will start with the third question. Okay, second is for homework. So I will solve all the odd sums. So that first one I did it, third one I will do now. We have x plus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the equation. We will write it in the standard form. Plus 9 will go then become minus 9. So we have x plus 2y is equal to minus 9. Name it as equation number 1. And what is the second one? 3x plus 4y plus 17 is equal to 0, where 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 17. This is equation number 2. Okay, now what is the very first step? Coefficient should be same. So we have 3 over here. Can we bring 3? Okay, multiply equation 1 by 3. So multiplying equation 1 by 3. So 3 multiplied by x plus 2y is equal to minus 9. When we will multiply by 3, we will get 3x, 6y, 9 3s are 27. This is equation number 3. Okay. Now we observe it properly. We have 3x over here and 3x over here, and both the signs are plus. When signs are same, what we should do? Signs are same, we will subtract it. And if signs are different, we will add it. So subtracting 2 and 3. Subtracting 2 and 3. So I will have 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 70. 3x plus 6y is equal to minus 27. Minus, this minus will become plus. Will get cancelled. Minus 6 plus 4, minus 2y. Plus 27 minus 17 is plus 10. So y is equal to minus 5. Okay, the value of y is minus 5. Now put y is equal to minus 5 in 1. What is 1? Minus 5 in 1. Okay, so what is equation number 1? We have x plus 2y is equal to minus 9. X plus 2 into y is minus 5 is equal to minus 9. Minus 10 is equal to minus 9. X is equal to minus 9 plus 10. So x is equal to 1. So solution we have x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 5. Okay, in the fifth question we have 7x minus 2y is equal to 20 and 11x plus 15y plus 23 will go there and become minus 23. Okay, we have this equation number 1 and this equation as 2. We will try to bring the coefficient same. See, I will try to bring the coefficient of y same. Here we have 2, here we have 15. I will multiply by 15 with the first equation. So 15 2s will give me 30. And I will multiply by 2 to the second equation. Set 15 2s is 30. So multiplying equation 1 by 15. Okay, I will multiply equation 1 by 15 and equation 2 by 2. So when I will multiply by first equation by first equation by 15. So 7x minus 2y is equal to 20 and I will multiply by this by 15. So 15 7s is 105. 15 2s is 105x. 15 2s is 30 and 15 2s is again 30, but we will have 300 as it is 20. Okay, 15 7s I will just check it. 15 75 35, yes, it is 105. Okay, we have the new equation number 3, and multiplying equation 2. What is equation number 2? 11x plus 15y is equal to minus 23, and I will multiply this equation by 2. Okay, equation 2 by 2. So it is 22x plus 30y and 23 2s is 46. This is the new equation, that is the fourth one. Okay, if you see it properly, the equation 3rd we have minus 30 and equation 4 we have plus 30. Coefficient is same and the signs are different. When the sign are different, you should add it. Okay, when the signs are different, you should add it. So adding 3 and 4. Adding 3 and 4. So I have 105x minus 30y is equal to 300 and 22x plus 30y is equal to minus 46. Okay, while adding this will get cancelled. 105 plus 22 is 127x. Okay, and it is 254. So value of x is equal to 254 upon 127. So value of 1s it is 2s. So value of x is equal to 2. Okay, put x is equal to 2 in 1. I will put x is equal to 2 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? 7x minus 2y is equal to 20. 7x, value of x is 2. 2 into y as it is equal to 20. So 7 2s are 14. 2y is equal to 20. Minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 14. Minus 2y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 upon minus 2. Y is equal to minus 3. Okay. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. Okay. Okay. So after 5th one, 6th and 7th is homework. 8th is different. So I am doing the 8th one for you all. Okay. In each and every question the above it, all were equations, but we don't have any equation. We have property of transitivity, that is A is equal to B is equal to C. So with the help of this, we will first frame the equation, and after framing the equation, we will find the value of x and y. Let's start. Okay. So we have x plus y minus 8 upon 2 is equal to x plus y minus 14 upon 3. So x plus y minus 8 upon 2 is equal to x plus 2y minus 14 upon 3. I am taking the first one and the second one. 3 will go there and multiply. So we have 3x, 3y, 8 3s are 24, 2x, 4y, 14 2s are 28. Okay, plus 2x will come here and become 3x minus 2x plus 3y plus 4y will come here and become minus 4y, and we have minus 28 minus 24 will go there and become plus 24. Okay, so 3x minus 2x is x, 3y minus 4y is minus y, and minus 28 plus 24 is minus 4. I will name this equation 1. Okay, similarly we will find equation number 2. I will take the first and the last, that is x plus y minus 8 upon 2 is equal to 3x plus y minus 12 upon 11. Yes, you can also take this and this, but I took first and the last one. Okay, let's see. So after, when we will multiply 11 to this, so 11 will come here and multiply, we will have 11x plus 11y minus 88 is equal to 6x plus 2y minus 24. Okay, so 6x will come here, 11x minus 6x, 11y minus 2y minus 24, minus 88 will go there and become plus 88. So we have 5x, 11 minus 6 is 5, 11y minus 2y is 9y, and 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, so we have 64. This is equation number 2. Okay, so we have 5 over here. Can I bring 5? Or also I can multiply by 9, whichever is easy. So I think I will multiply by 9, so that plus minus and I will get addition. Multiplying. Why I am multiplying 9? Because with y it is 9 over here. So I will also get 9 over here. So multiplying equation 1 by 9. So I will have 9x minus 9y. 9 4s are 36. Equation number 3. Okay. So if you observe equation 2 and 3, we have plus 9y and minus 9y. So adding 2 and 3. Okay. Adding 2 and 3. So what is 2? 5x plus 9y is equal to 64, and 9x minus 9y is equal to minus 36. So this gets subtracted. 9, this gets cancelled. 9 plus 5 it is 14x, and 14 minus 6 it is 8. So it is 5 minus 3 it is 2. So x is equal to 28 upon 14. 14 ones are 14 twos are 28. Okay. So value of x is equal to 2. We'll put x is equal to 2 in 1. So one equation number 1 is the easy equation. Put x is equal to 2 in 1. That is x minus y is equal to minus 4. So 2 minus y is equal to minus 4. 2 minus 4 will come here and become plus 4. Minus y will go there and become plus y. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 2 it is 6. So y is equal to 6. Okay. So we have x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6. In this question, equation was not given. First I framed the equation 1. Then equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Then by multiplying to my 9 to get 9 and 9 equal for both of them. Okay. So once 9 is equal and signs are different, I added it and got the values of x and y respectively. Okay, now I will directly solve after 8 sum, 9, 10, 11, you solve it on your own. 12th one I will do for you. Okay, so we have nothing in the denominator, it is 1. So cross multiplied 1 into x, it is x. 2 into y, it is 2y. 2 ones are 2. We have 4 upon 5. This 5 will go there. We have 5x plus 10y. 4, 2 will go there and it will become 4 to z. So we have the first equation. Okay. Here also 2 into 2 ones are 2x. 1 into y, 1y. 2 ones are 2. It is 7 upon 10. 10 will go there. We have 20x. 10y. And 7 2s are 14. Okay, so one thing is good over here is we have 10y with plus sign. So signs are same. So subtracting equation 1 and 2. So we have 5x plus 10y is equal to 8. 20x plus 10y is equal to 40. Okay. So when I will subtract it, all the signs will change. So this will get cancelled. 5x minus 20 is minus 15x. And when I will subtract this, I will get 14 minus 8 is 6. Minus 6. Okay. So value of x is minus 6 upon minus 15. Minus minus cancel. 3 2s are 3 5s are. So value of x is 2 upon 5. Okay. Now I will substitute the value of x in any of the equations. Say this equation number 1. Put x is equal to 2 upon 5 in 1. Okay. So what is 1? 5x plus 10y is equal to 8. 5x. So 5 into x. What is x? 2 upon 5 plus 10y as it is. 8 as it is. So 5 gets cancelled. So we have 2 plus 10y is equal to 8. 2 will go there. 10y is equal to 8 minus 2. 10y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 upon 10. Y is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay. So we have the value of x as 2 upon 5. Therefore x as x is equal to 2 upon 5 and y is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay. So this is the solution for the 12th one. Okay. Now after 12th one I will start solving the 14th one. Okay. So what is different in the 14th sum? You can see that there is a variable in the denominator. Okay. In the previous question, we were not having the variable in the denominator. See, if there is a number, you can cross multiply it. But if there is a variable, okay, we have x, y, p, q. If we have any variable in the denominator, we will assume that let 1 upon y is equal to a. Okay, a or u, whatever. I am taking a. Okay, 1 upon y is equal to a. Okay, so then what is the first equation? We have 4x plus 6 upon y means what? See, 6 upon y means nothing but 6 multiplied by 1 upon y. And as 1 upon y is a, so 6 upon y can be written as 6a. Okay, so this is 6a is equal to 15, equation number 1, and 3x minus 4a is equal to 7, equation number 2. Okay, so we have 4, 3, 6, 4. So if I am taking LCM, I can get 12 for both of them. Just multiplying equation 1 by 2, 6 2s are 12, and 2 by 3, 4 3s are 12. So multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. Okay, if I multiply equation 1 by 2, so 2 multiplied by 4x plus 6a is equal to 15, and equation 2 by 3. Okay, so 2 4s are 8x, 4 6 2s are 12a is equal to 15 2s are 30. This is the new equation number 3, and here also it was 3. So 3 3s are 9x, 4 3s are 12a is equal to 7 3s are 21, equation number 4. So we have plus 12 and minus 12. Signs are different, coefficient is same and sign is different, and whenever sign is different we will add it. So adding 3 and 4, so we have 8x plus 12a is equal to 30, 9x minus 12a is equal to 21. So this gets cancelled. So we have 9 plus 8, that is 17x is equal to 51. So value of x is equal to 51 upon 17. So it is 3. Okay, value of x is equal to 3. Now put value of x is equal to 3 any of the 4 equations. We have 1 2 3 4 equations. You can substitute it in any equation. I will substitute in 1. So put x is equal to 3 in 1. What is 1? 4x, 6a, 50. 4 into 3 plus 6a is equal to 15. 4 3s are 12 plus 6a is equal to 15. 6a is equal to 15 is equal to 15 minus 12. 6a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 upon 6. Therefore, a is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, we have the value of a as 1 upon 2. But in the original question, did we wanted to find the value of a? No, we were asked to find the value of y. So substituting a is equal to 1 upon y. Okay, what is the value of a? 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon y. So y is equal to 2. Okay, we have the value of y is equal to 2. Okay, now I will start with the 17th one directly. Okay, after 15, 16 are for homework. Try to solve it on your own. I will solve the 17th one. Okay, in the 17th one, x, y, both the variables are in denominator. So I'll take let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. You can take u and v also. Okay, no issues. So as 1 upon x is equal to a, so we have 3 upon 2a plus 2 upon 3b is equal to 5. Okay, so 3 3s are 9a, 2 2s are 4b, 3 2s are 6 to 5. So we have 9a plus 4b, 6 5s are 30. We have equation number 1. Okay, and we'll do with this one. We have 5a minus 3b is equal to 1. Equation number 2. Okay, this was the easy one. So we have a and b. We can bring 12, multiplying this by 3 and this by 4. So multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. If I multiply equation 1 by 3, So we have 27a plus 4 3s are 12b is equal to 3, so it is 90. Okay, so 9 3s are 27, 4 3s are 12, 3 30s are 90. So this is the equation number 3. And when I will multiply equation number 2 by 4, so it is 4 5s are 20a, 4 3s are 12, that is minus 12b, and 4 1s are 4, that is the new equation number 4. Okay, so I have equation number 3 and 4 and plus and minus sign, so I add 3 and 4, adding 3 and 4, so I have 27a plus 12b is equal to 90, and 20a minus 12b is equal to 4. So this gets cancelled. 27 plus 20 is 47a is equal to 94. So a is equal to 94 upon 47. See, a is equal to 94 upon 47. So value of a is equal to 2. Okay, 94 upon 47, value of a is equal to 2. Now put a is equal to 2 in any of the equation. So 1 or 2 I will put in 2. Put a is equal to 2 in 2. So 2 is 5 minus 3b is equal to 1. 5 into a is 2 minus 3b equal to 1. 5 to the 10 minus 3b is equal to 1. 3b is equal to 1 minus 10. 3b is equal to minus 9. Minus minus cancel. b is equal to 9 upon 3. So b is equal to 3. Okay. Still the question was not to find a or b. The question is to find x and y. So resubstituting a is equal to 1 upon x and b is equal to 1 upon y. So what is the value of a? Value of a was 2 is equal to 1 upon x and 3 is equal to 1 upon y. Value of a and value of b. So x will go there. So x is equal to 1 upon 2 and y will go there and 3 will come here. So y is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay. So for the 17th one, we have the solution x is equal to 1 upon 2 and y is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay. Okay, the 18th question looks like a normal question, but pay attention properly. We have x plus y is equal to 2xy. Okay, these two variables are okay, but we have a constant term over here. We don't want this xy. So this is equation number 1 and equation number 2 right now. So I will dividing 1 and 2 by xy. So we have x upon xy plus y upon xy is equal to 2xy upon xy. So that this xy gets cancelled, x gets cancelled, y gets cancelled. We have 1 upon y plus 1 upon x is equal to 2. Okay. And again this one, x upon xy minus y upon xy is equal to 6xy upon xy. So x cancel, y cancel, xy cancel. We have 1 upon y minus 1 upon x is equal to 6. Okay. So we have variables x and y in the denominator. So I'll take let 1 upon y is equal to a and 1 upon x is equal to b. So that this will become 1 upon y is equal to a. So it is a plus 1 upon x is equal to b. So a plus b is equal to 2 and a minus b is equal to 6. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay. We have plus 1 minus 1. So adding 1 and 2. We have a plus b is equal to 2. A minus b is equal to 6. So when I will add it, plus b minus b gets cancelled. 2a is equal to 8. A is equal to 4. Okay, we have a is equal to 4. So put a is equal to 4 in 1. Okay, put a is equal to 4 in 1. So what is 1? We have equation number 1 as a plus b is equal to 2. So a is equal to 4 plus b is equal to 2. Okay, this is equation number 1. In place of a I substituted 4. So b is equal to 2 minus 4. B is equal to minus 2. Now this is also not the end of the question, because question was asking x and y. So re-substituting a is equal to 1 upon y. See, pay attention. A is equal to 1 upon y and b is equal to 1 upon x. So a, what is the value of a? 4 is equal to 1 upon y. B minus 2 is equal to 1 upon x. So y is equal to 1 upon 4. X is equal to minus sign will also come there. So it will be minus 1 upon. So x is equal to 1 upon 4. Sorry, y is equal to 1 upon 4 and x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Okay.